Every plant needs a different amount of light to grow, and you have to be a little careful when it comes to their sun exposure. So, is there any way to be sure of it? Yeah, there is. Here are the most important signs your indoor plants need more sunlight. Number 1. Leggy growth. One of the best signs to watch out for is leggier growth. Watch out for new leaves that are growing farther apart in search of more light in stem with thin growth. Number 2. Moving towards the light source. This usually occurs when the specific part of the plant does not receive enough sunlight and starts stretching towards the light, making the plant look sick and not lush. It makes the plant look unbalanced in its growth and its shape. Rotate the plant from time to time to ensure even distribution of sunlight on the whole plant. Number 3. Brown tips and leaves. If you notice the tips of several leaves turning brown, then it could be due to the lack of light. However, it is possible that there could be other reasons for the plant parts turning yellow and brown. Number 4. Smaller leaves. Another indication that your plants require more sunlight is that the new leaf growth is underwhelming and small. Light is a crucial factor in helping the plant grow properly, and it's most often underrated. Any plant bearing smaller leaves than it should be and dull foliage than usual could be facing a shortage of sun. Number 5. Pause on growth. Is your houseplant only trying to survive and not thriving? If it's been a few months and the plant refuses to show any growth, then this is an indication that the plant is not getting enough sun. It's best to keep it in a spot where it can receive at least 2 to 3 hours of bright sun every day. Number 6. Dull foliage. Variegated plants usually have a pop of colors throughout their leaves when they get the right sunlight exposure. For non-variegated ones, the foliage is always bright and lush when the light is proper. If you notice dull foliage with a lack of luster and colors, then that is an indication that the plant is not getting the right amount of light. Number 7. Soil stays wet for long. If the soil doesn't dry out for 3 to 5 days, then it indicates that the plant is not in a well-lit and airy position. Sunlight is a crucial component of performing photosynthesis, and whenever there's a lack of enough sunlight, the plant fails to draw up as much water as is needed. Also, lack of air circulation and light impact evaporation and transpiration. This results in the soil standing wet for a long time, which leads to root rot. Number 8. Faded colors. Faded foliage colors indicate that the plant is not getting the right amount of sun. Variegated plants suffer the most of it and tend to lose their vividness over time. Do make sure that the plant is exposed to at least indirect sunlight during the day. Number 9. Mushy foliage. Mushy foliage is an indication that the plant is getting water but not enough sunlight. Check the leaves, and if they feel too soft and squishy to touch, then place the plant at a bright location. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.